guys, I am at this place called Twice Around Thrift Store. The building is behind me, but I wanted to show you the longhorns if I can zoom in on them. I know it's hard to see, but they're beautiful. So I'm out here in the country, but 100% of the money that is received in this thrift store goes to women and families in need, which I love. So anyway, I'm heading in. Wish me luck. Hello friends, I am sorry that there was no shop along attached to that short, I think it was 30-second clip. I was out garage sailing and oh my gosh guys, I got up at 5:36 and headed out because I saw there was a community church sale that I really wanted to go to. It was on the yard sale app and I drove all the way there, pulled in, there were several cars waiting. They were supposed to open at 8. Nobody was there. Nobody was opening any doors. Nothing was happening at this church. So I went to the church's website, which was just like a Facebook page, and it said the sale was postponed. Now, why they couldn't take that off of the app, I don't know. But I was pretty perturbed. But at that point, I was determined to go shopping. I needed to find some stuff. I was like, okay, if I got that early on a Saturday morning, I'm not giving up. So I ended up driving about 30 minutes from there to another community-wide sale. Unfortunately, that one, it was really cold and a little bit rainy. So I only found a few pieces at that sale. So when I was done with that, I went to my favorite thrift store, which is where you saw in the little intro there. It was so crowded. I've never been there on a Saturday. I couldn't get a cart and I was just having to carry things. So it was impossible for me to record in there. I'm sorry. Sometime I do want to go in there when it's less busy, maybe during a weekday, and try to film for you guys because they have a lot of items. And like I said, 100% of the profits go to supporting these families in need. So pretty freaking cool if you ask me. Okay, guys, I don't even know where to begin. I got the most amazing jewelry box. I'm just going to start here. So from my research, this needs to be cleaned, okay? I have not had time to thoroughly clean it. It has a lock. It's got this gorgeous Japanese hand-painted detailing on it. Here is the inside, y'all. It's just gorgeous. It has a ballerina here. This does have a music box. I was not able to get it to work, but I'm going to fidget with it a little bit more. Look at these little compartments here with fans. Oh my God. There's another one here. I think there's a little bit of abalone maybe in there. Again, it's dirty. It does have the original lock in here. And it works. And then I found, just random, there was a little seashell in here that I thought if anybody buys this, they can have that. Then there was a back of a clip-on earring, a little pearl. Anyway, this is so freaking cool. Look at all the details. So I did look this up, and these are from the late 50s, early 60s generally. But oh my gosh, guys, what a cool find. I was so pleased with this. I cannot even begin to tell you. It does show some wear, but that's okay. Someone will love it. And if not, it's not a bad buy. I will keep it or put it on eBay. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Loretta agrees. She's in there crying probably for Rick. But anyway, here this is again. I apologize. I haven't had time to thoroughly clean this. But oh my gosh, it is so amazing. I'm going to open it again. There's a little lock. There's some of the inlay. There at the bottom. I forgot to show. Here we go. Just look at it. Look at these little fans and the little compartments. It's just amazing. Amazing. So look for this in an upcoming sale. Then I picked up this vintage elephant. This is a pretty big piece. He is teak, I believe, hand carved. He has some amazing detail on him. I could not leave him behind. I just fell in love with him. Actually, he was at an estate. I forgot I went to an estate sale as well as garage sales. He was at an estate sale, and there was a lion, maybe a rhino, with him about this size, but they wanted too much for them, so I had to pick one. So I picked Mr. Elephant. He is just incredible, y'all. I want to show you both sides here. Woo. At first, I thought that there was damage, that maybe his tusk was missing, but I don't think so. I think that is just the way it is from what I looked at online, the way they carve these pieces. So I don't think it takes anything away from it. The ones I was looking up, there was not, ivory, ivory or wood coming out as a tusk. That's just how it was made. But is he not incredible? Look at his eye. Look at all the beautiful hand details. He is phenomenal. I love this guy. Okay, so I got this. Oh my God, look at him. He will go in my vintage horse collection. I feel like I'm always teasing you guys. I don't have this yet. I haven't researched him, but he's phenomenal. There's a little bit of a mark there. I haven't tried to get out yet. I don't care if it doesn't come out. I still freaking love him. I had not seen him before. No idea of the maker. No idea of the era. What do you guys think? I was thinking kind of like Art Deco, but I don't know. Anyway, he is so cool. I love him. Okay. So I got these two owl mugs. These are absolutely adorable. I didn't even look them up. They had 3. Didn't have enough cash to get all 3, so I got 2. When I brought them home, Rick said, well, I hope you're selling one of them. So I might be selling one. I think they're fantastic, guys. Look at that face. They're so cute. I love, love, love. Okay, so then I picked this up. I do collect items from Greece, depicting Greek mythology, Greek history. So I absolutely love this one. This one is Addis, handmade in Greek, with 24 karat gold plating on it, or can't even talk. Yeah, around the rims and the Greek keys, it's in 24 karat gold. These don't go for very much, but I pick them up for me when I see them, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this, I have not researched this yet, but this dish is so cool. It is reverse painted. I'll show you the bottom here. It's also signed here. It's phenomenal. Quick lens showed me that this might be Japanese. I'm not sure about that. I'm going to have to look into it more. Let me move away from that so you can see how pretty this is. I've never seen anything quite like this before. This is gorgeous, but I just love this pattern. As you can see, this is all hand painted. There we go. It's focused a little bit better. You can see all the strokes there. How cool is this piece? If any of you know anything about it, do let me know. Okay, kind of going around here in circles. Now, some of these are wet because I just now had time to clean them. I got this gorgeous Jack in the Pulpit. It is like a satin glass, kind of lavender color. This was covered in dirt. So when I got it, I didn't notice. I cannot tell, honestly, guys, if this, I don't even think these are scratches. I think these are part of the making of the glass, like just little flaws right here. But this is just beautiful. Look at the color. It's kind of like an ombre. I just love it. So that one just got cleaned. Then I got this signed Native American wedding vase. It's really cool. It is by M.A. Watchman from 1992. I have not researched this to try to find out the value. It was a good price, so I just went ahead and got it. I love it. Look at this beautiful detailing here, guys. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Then I got these 2 little snails. They are Homeco, and they are so cute. I've picked up one of these before, but this time they actually had the pair. Now this one is missing a little string there for his antenna, but I think somebody crafty could easily fix that. Here is the other one. Just, these are precious, y'all. Look at that face. Here's the bottom. So these were sold as a pair, and they're on little leaves, and I freaking love them. Then I got these for me. I wish they had had every zodiac. It was like the thrifting gods were with me. I'm a Libra. So I picked up these two amazing Fire King mugs. Look at how cool they are. I'm going to have to put it down. It's not focusing for some reason. They're different. This one, I'm trying to remember. One has Anchor Hawking Mark, and the other one says Fire King. But anyway, look at this. Look at the scales. Oh my gosh, guys. I freaking love these. Here's the other one. They are in such good condition. There was a Cancer one, so when I go back there, I'm going to pick it up. I grabbed them not knowing the value, but these can go for like 15 to 20 each, depending on the condition. So yeah, this was a no-brainer. There's the Anchor Hawking Mark. How cool. So that one's a little bit more beat up than the other one, but that's okay. Then I picked up these two separate pieces of amber. This one is Kemple glass, and this is a sugar bowl. Gorgeous. No damage on that. And this one is a little L.A. Smith Moon and Stars. Well, I'm not sure what this pattern is. I guess it is Moon and Stars pattern. This little dish. Gosh, and this may be a sugar dish too. I don't remember. A little candy dish maybe. But look at what they look like together, y'all. They look like a freaking fairy lamp. Put that in there. It fits in there perfectly. So I thought that might be cool for someone that collects fairy lamps or loves amber glass like I do. Of course, you know, having them separate is gorgeous too, especially this Kemple. I really love that. So I had to get those. My brain was like, okay, somebody might want to make that into a fairy lamp. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Y'all tell me. Then I got this piece of Empoli. This is a smaller brandy snifter than the one I got in Canton, and it doesn't have a sticker. It's funny, when this was really dirty too. When I was cleaning it, I felt where the sticker might have been. I was like, oh my gosh, really? But I am pretty sure that's what this is. It's also an optic, like the other one I had. Again, it's wet, so I do apologize for that. Then I got this. I got this little container because it's got daisies on it, and I'm trying to remember. Yeah, this is ThermoServe, which, you know, some of these can be pretty desirable. I picked it up even though there was a little bit of damage there in the corner. I figured a lot of people just use these for decor anyway, but you could probably also super glue that back together if you wanted to make it look a little bit better, but I just couldn't leave this behind. You know, it's cool, right? Then the last thing I want to show you is this Jim Shore piece that I got. It actually came in the original box here, and she is for the 4th of July. God bless America. New old stock, no damage to her at all. What year is she from again? 2003. I pledge allegiance to the flag. She's really cool. Oh, there's a little bit of foam from when she was in her box. Isn't she magnificent, y'all? She's a patriotic angel. I'll show you the back. Excuse the dog toy on the floor. It's gross. Sunshine brings it inside and outside, and every time I want to throw it away, I'm worried that it'll hurt her feelings. Okay, so here's that. It's got the original tag and everything. So anyway, guys, short video. Really short for me, but I had to haul it. I just had to. I also got, oh, I gotta show you guys these too. I got some jewelry. But I was going to say, I also picked up a J. Crew top for myself at one of the garage sales. And I love it. It was a really good deal at $1. But let me show you these I got. I got this at the estate sale. And obviously this is a crane, I think. Maybe a phoenix. But this is a piece of raw jade. It is attached there, and then it has a pearl. I'm not sure if the pearl's probably faux. Haven't looked into this, but I think this is probably from the 60s. Cute. And I love this jade right here. I just love it. Then I got this. Now y'all excuse the chain because it's coming off the chain. Look at this cross. I did check, all the rhinestones are there. But is this not phenomenal? I'm putting it down to try to, there we go, get it to focus a little bit better. But it's on this horrible chain that I am going to quickly take it off of. I have not tried to clean this one yet. I'm sure it's really gonna be beautiful once I do that. Look at it, it's so pretty. Here's the back. I was very surprised this one wasn't marked. Yeah, I don't see a marking on it. But is this not beautiful, y'all? Oh my gosh, I love it. Then I picked up, this is sterling. I picked up the sterling chain at a garage sale. Got a really good deal on it as well. It is Italy. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Right there. This is a substantial chain, so if you're interested in it, email me. Otherwise, this may go on eBay. I haven't waited or anything, but I don't think I'll be offering that one in a live sale just because of the weight of it. It's gorgeous. Okay, then this. Look at this ring, y'all. Obviously, it's opal. Let me try to get this to focus here. I think the center stone is amethyst. I haven't tested it yet. It is 925. And I think those are probably little CZs on the side of the amethyst. Gosh, please focus for me. I'm going to put it down. I don't have my ring light down here because I'm trying to move everything back upstairs the way it should be. Okay, here we go. It's a little bit better. Guys, this ring is so pretty. How can I make it look better? Hang on. There we go. There we go. Look at the opal on the side. Absolutely stunning. I love this ring very, very much. I'm probably going to offer it up for sale. So keep your eyes out for that. Beautiful. Gosh, I haven't tested anything on it, but I am 99.9% sure that's amethyst and that's opal. The ring is too well made, and being sterling, it's got to be, you know, semi-precious. So there you go on that. I think I have shown everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I wish you could go garage sailing and thrift storing and estate sailing with me. I always think about that when I'm going out by myself, because there's no way Rick is going to get up at like 5:30 in the morning on his day off to go shopping with me. So I'm usually by myself. But anyway, guys, I love you. I will be on Jane's channel tonight. She is Doggone Happy Vintage. Have the link in my community tab if you need it. And that sale is at 10:30 Eastern. Hopefully this video will upload and post before the sale. Like I've mentioned before, my videos are taking forever to upload. So hopefully this one will upload soon. Thanks so much for your support, guys. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. Okay, guys, I look forward to seeing you next time. If I don't see you at Jane's, I will be on Thursday night with Rick. We're doing our little music and treasures. What does he call it? Tunes and Treasures. He named that, by the way. That'll be Thursday evening at 7:30 Eastern. Okay, guys, love you so much. Bye-bye.